I'm always been a believer in single body parts, a major and minor, you know, whether it's chest and bicep, chest and tricep, shoulder and another arm, doing legs by itself, you know, probably like a quad dominant day, a hamstring dominant day. I just feel for bodybuilding, it's what's best. Now, if you want to get creative because you're doing some things that are not bodybuilding related, then yeah, you can get creative and you can do a push-pull day. You can turn around and do upper lower. You can turn around and do just basically kind of what fits your schedule and what you personally like. But if you're wanting to compete or you want to try to maximize a bodybuilding physique, or you're doing a physique transformation of some sort, you really want to be able to really hit a major and a minor body part. I would put somebody young on that, somebody like that wants to play football and they want to try to get strong, or they want to turn around and just really get, you know, dabbling into the weightlifting. That's my personal preference for putting somebody on a program that's younger. It might be a push-pull, but everything else when it comes to physique transformation, it's all about the single body part.